everybody, welcome to my makeup today. It is a dark, sad, gloomy day. The wind is blowing. I did hear some birds chirp earlier, so that was nice. I decided I wanted my makeup to match the mood of the day, but it got sparkly too. So I'm going to speed through the face makeup and then we'll do a little tutorial on the eyes. I dipped into several palettes to get these eyes today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to start my eyeshadow now. I actually feel like doing my eyes in the mood of the day, so I'm going to be kind of doing a lot of grays. Today's a gray day. I'm going to be dipping into a lot of palettes for this. So on my Morphe R37, I'm going into the Urban Decay Smoked palette, and I'm going to go into the color Kinky and just put this literally all over my eye. Now for our transition shade, I really wanted to do kind of a cool brown tone, so I'm breaking into my Tartelette matte palette. Power player right here. I will be using an M573. I have my window open. I'm sure you can hear the wind blowing out there, and it's making my door knock a little bit. It was just really warm in my room. And I kind of like the sound of nature, especially wind. Could do without another tornado warning though, I'll tell you what, that was freaky. But boy, my makeup was on point for tornado weather that day. If you're curious about said makeup, go check out my Rainy Day Glam video. Did a halo eye with the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. It was absolutely gorgeous. I had just finished filming and I was starting to edit, and all of a sudden there's this tornado warning and the weather is so bad. It was scary. Now I will be popping into my E.L.F. matte palette. I'm going into this gray color right here. And to do that, I'm using my Morphe M441. This is going to go in our crease. That's being really patchy today. Don't know what the deal is. And look at that line. Like, that won't blend out. I'm going back into the Tartelette palette with that same power player, and I'm going to try to blend the gray out a little better with it. Just kind of mix them together. That was not entirely successful. Oh well. It'll all come together. I have faith. I'm going back into the Smoked palette. I am going to use the color Mushroom. It's kind of a brownish grayish shimmer color. I'm going to kind of take that into the crease and then over the outer half of my eye. That kind of helped blend that out a little. Now I'm popping into my SuperNova palette by ABH Cosmetics. It's such a pretty palette. Hi. It is all glittery, shimmery, foily, sparkly, beautiful shades. I'm going to go in with my Morphe E17, going into the shade Luna. It is kind of a greenish, grayish, brownish color. I think it's going to be fabulous. And I'm going to take that out here on the outer corner. Got that all over right there. Shit. Now I'm going to go in with my finger in this color Nebula. It's kind of a smoky blue shimmer. I'm going to put that on the inner half of my eye. I'm going to go back in with my finger and very lightly go into Luna. Yeah, blend these a little bit. I like that. I'm using a random brush from Amazon. I'm going to go corner to corner. Back into Mushroom from the Smoky palette. I'm going to take my Luxie 239 and I'm going to put that right up against the lash line. I'm going to take it about 2/3 of the way in. Then on the same brush, just kind of dusting it off. I'm going back into Nebula, that's that blue color that we have on the inner part of our lid, and I'm going to finish off the inner corner. And then back into the Smoked palette, going into Kinky, which is just that creamy shade. Another random Amazon brush. And I'm just going to dust that under the eyes to kind of further blend. One last step before I move on to lighter colors. I'm going into, oh, I've been calling these the wrong things. Ha! I can read a palette, really. Alright, so the brownish, greenish, grayish shade that we use, that's actually called Scorpio. And the blue color that we use is actually called Gemini. And now I'm going into Luna, which is this dark blackish gray charcoal color, and I just want to deepen up the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm going into Pegasus. It's this white sparkly shade. I'm going to get the corners of my eyes. Maybe I'll use my finger. Whoa. Holy glitter. Holy glitter. Really like that though. So we didn't go for like bright sparkly today. We went for gloomy sparkly. Can that even be a thing? Can sparkly be gloomy? Alright, and then I do need to highlight my brow bone. I'm going to break into yet another palette to do it. I'm going to go into the original Naked palette and go into Virgin. It's just this grief. It's just this light color right here. It's got a slight sheen to it. My voice is weird today. It keeps like cutting out, breaking. Usually don't have issues talking. Okay. Eyeshadow is done. On to the brows. I'm going to do those off camera and I'll be back. Okay, I decided to just finish off my eyes. I just decided to get all that out of the way. For lipstick, I'm going to keep it super nude. I'm using the Wet n Wild MegaLast in Never Nude, and that's color 983B. This is less than $3 for this tube, and it is great lipstick. It's wiggly. Not gonna line today. And that does it for today's gloomy day sparkly look. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.